Modulz is a visual code editor for designing and building digital products without writing code. There are three core product areas: the theme view, where you predefine your design system, the component editor, where you customize your library of interactive components, and the composer, for designing complex layouts and user interfaces. On the surface, Modulz feels like a familiar design tool. You organize your layers in the left sidebar and watch your design come together on the canvas. When you add a new device, the design is duplicated, so you can preview your same design across multiple devices simultaneously to get an accurate sense of how your design will look and feel in production. You can even design responsive layouts, set a breakpoint, then tweak your components, and you can completely change how your design looks on particular devices. Modulz has a dedicated layout component. When you nest components, Modulz creates a parent-child relationship. Use padding to add space inside components, and use margin to push surrounding components away. With Flexbox, you can align and distribute elements within a layout component. Double-click a component to open it in the editor. Here you can apply styles in the same way you would in a drawing tool. Select an interactive state to apply styles specifically to that state. Add advanced effects like drop shadows, text shadows, and blur, and even 3D effects like rotation, skew, and translate. You can even control the speed and curve of the transition from one effect to the next. If you need a component to look differently in one area of your design, add a variation, give it a name, then apply unique styles to override its appearance. You'll notice when I set the font size really small, I get a warning to let me know the text may not be readable. This also works for things like color contrast, line length, and cross-browser issues. When you're done styling, switch back to Composer to see new variations available to toggle in the sidebar. But the best part is that components you design in Modulz are not just representations. Modulz exports production-ready React components. Styles you reuse from your theme can either be exported as variables or hard-coded into your components. With your support, our goal is to fix the disconnect between product teams. Let's close the gap between design and code. Let's get everyone working on the same product together.